Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great day. Well, today as you can see we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. So let's find out what is in the bag. Alright, we have a stamped cross stitch. Oh my goodness. Now this comes from the BiggestCraft store, and it is 105 by 56, and it is a 14 count, and it will look familiar to you. I don't know why, but yeah. I mean, I don't know why I ordered this twice, but yeah, we're going to review it anyway. It is the Mediterranean style one. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah, I've already started working on this. I got it from some other store. But it is a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous kit. I just love it. Don't have much done on it, but I did start it. It does come with a nice big booklet here. And there should be a page, like a separate page. Am I missing? There we go. So it's broke down into 21 parts. It has 74 colors, and they just have, I believe, yep, they just have the color chart for the paper pattern, so paper pattern will not match the canvas. We have 154, which is mulberry. There is no 310 black. Looking to see if there's any other colors I know in here. That's 606 red. So that's for part of the flowers and part of the houses. No 823. We don't have any 939s. And no 3371. And I'm not sure what they're using for white. Do have a pale peach color here, but I'm not seeing any white per se. But very nice. Huge array of colors. Just gorgeous. Very well printed booklet. And there is some back stitching, but not a whole lot. As you see, it's on like the boats out in the water. Any place else. I mean, it was nominal back stitching. For sure. Nothing in the flowers or on the house. So you could do whatever you'd like to, you know, to make things stand out. So that's up to you. But yeah, it's just on the sailboats. I didn't see any more. So very nice. But very beautiful booklet. And here are all the colors. Oh my goodness. We have 3 thread cards, and they're all marked like this, except for right here, and I'll explain that in a second. It does come with 3 needles, and it has the thread card with the product number and how many strands of each you have, and then you have your DMC number and then the thread card number. Over here, these are the extras, so this is the thread card number. But lots of blues and oranges and yellows and kind of rust colors. Just absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous colors. We have greens and more oranges and kind of a mauve color. More blues because you got all that water. Look at those blues. Oh, to die for. And there's 816 and 817 and 814. So it kind of goes from an orangish red all the way down to a brick red. And there is a so-called white. Yeah. So this pink and this off-white, it's 819. I'm not sure. It's kind of a pale, pale tan, if you will. Look at that bright yellow. My goodness gracious. Gorgeous. Gorgeous colors. Lots of threads in this. Just Just gorgeous. Look at that purple. It's $5.53. Just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful colors. This is a gorgeous kit and well worth the $25, basically, that it is. Big, huge canvas, serged canvas. Before I forget to tell you that, sorry, didn't mean to hit that. I gotta figure out which side's up. But there is a lot of stitching. It is full coverage. Oh, except right in here, like on the left hand. Holy cow, I can't get there. Where it's really, really white. So it's a 90% full coverage right there. Let's see if we can measure this. I'm not sure if I can get this done. Okay, up and down, it is 57, whoops, sorry, my bad. Hold. 58 centimeters, or almost 23 inches. And this way, it's huge. But it's beautiful. I love all that water in that blue. Now, this is an approximation, because I can't get it to lay down. Looks like 103 centimeters approximately, or 40.5 inches. The actual picture size is 19.5 inches, or 49.5 centimeters by approximately get it to lay down. Now, if they have any specials or if I have any discount codes, it'll be at the beginning of the video and in the description below. This way, it is 95 centimeters, or 37.25 inches. So it's quite huge, very well printed. I'm trying to roll this up now because it had to go a long way. If I don't do this, it'll just go bling, and it'll be everywhere. Such a lovely tape measure. It's made out of some kind of vinyl. I've been using this thing for years. All right, let me fold this here so that you can see how well it is printed. Very nice, very easy to see symbols. And it has a nice big paper pattern. So if you have any issues, you can just go there and find what you're looking for. But very well done. Good job, Joy Sunday. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Nice big key that runs along the bottom so you can see all the symbols really well. And read all the numbers on top and bottom. And there's your one back stitch there. So yeah, I don't know. I was thinking maybe I would add a little bit of either 3371 or 310 black to bring out some of this here. It just needs a little definition, if you will. But gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous kit. I love it. Evidently, I loved it too much, so I got it twice. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Now, BiggestCraft does have, they do not have diamond painting. They have cross stitch. They even have some latch hook things. And they have lots of tools and crafts and a huge, huge selection of cross stitches, either in stamped or counted. Thank you, BiggestCraft, for sending me this gorgeous kit. It reminds me that I should just stitch on it, you know. Just beautiful, just beautiful. I love it. Thank you, everyone, for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.